Hello and welcome to Art for All. My name is Sandra and today's tutorial is part 2 of laminating art ideas, and today we're going to look at more sensory ideas like this one. The title of this one is Under the Sea. So if you'd like to join in and make this or something similar to this, you're going to need some equipment like this. Okay, pop you over there. So first you need your sheet, your laminating sheet. So here we go. There's this one. One of these, let's open them up. Like so. And we're going to start by making a bag. With these hair straighteners, and you're going to one, two, three. 1, 2, 3. This one here is ready. As you can see, I taped one part of the bag to the board. This will help you fill up the bag easier. So, there are lots of things we can use. I'm going to switch this on now. I'm going to need it to seal later. Got some buttons, some beads. I think these are hammer beads, like these. I've got some bigger beads. I've got some foam shapes, like this. And I've got some hair gel. Okay. So first of all, you've got to choose the things that you want to go inside the gel last pouring. So first we're going to put some things in. So I've got some stickers, like under the sea animals. You can see this. This is a sea horse. Take that off. You can see that. And stick that in there. Star. This is a fish, but not sticky, so it's going to move. It's going to move. I'll pop you in there. Pop you in. Oh, got a dolphin. Pop you in there. And goldfish. Okay, now for some stones. I'm going to use some beads, colourful beads like these. You have to be very careful and put them in. Not sure how that's going to work like that. That's it. Pull that down. Lovely. few more in there. Like so you can add paint possibly. I've never tried paint in here. I will, but at the moment I've not. But you know, can maybe put this inside, experiment and see what happens. So there, I've just put a few things in. I might add in some foam shapes, just some of these, throw those in there like that. And now we're going to add the hair gel, this. Now I like using both of these because it looks effective for the sea. I'm going to add some blue. Okay, try it. Oh. Now there is an important part. This bit at the top, got to keep it dry. If it gets wet when we straighten, not going to work, and because it's wet. So we've got to keep that dry if possible. Okay, I'm going to add some white. I think I might just use this one up. There's some cheap gel. Oh, okay, maybe pop a bit more of this one in. Brilliant. So now, really the hair straightening, we need an adult person to help with this. So we're going to take the tape off. Ooh. That looks dry, which is good. Then, to make sure the air is out, bring this around, put my glasses on, and then seal it. Just going to make sure the air is out. Finish that off like so. And then just move it around. It's art that can be played with. Also, under the sea art, this one, on there we've stuck some boats, so you can add on the outside of the laminate more information or ideas. So thank you for watching today. If you try this at home, please share with me your ideas, especially if you use paint for the first time inside. Show me. We have a Facebook page and we have an Instagram page. I would love to see your ideas of sensory art using the laminating sheet. Bye bye.